Well, hello everybody, today we're going to be opening up the Descent of Dragons packs. This is going to be interesting. I already got my Galacrons earlier. So, obviously this is the pre-release. I'm going to see if I can get my legendary. Well, there's my legendary. Double epic.
Epic!
Ooh! Ooh! What's the legend? What's the legend?
Legendary!
Dang it! I'm not the one I wanted! That's garbage! Okay, it's not garbage, it's just really not that good. And I'm gonna have to use that against one of his. I think he got the mage one. The non-aspect mage card.
Man!
And even Quartermaster is pretty good. So strength in numbers. Visual Summoner. I really hope I can get the, what's his name? The increased hand size. Well, I am just gonna be insane. I think Handlock's gonna be really good. With the cards that they're adding.
Man!
I mean, it can be frozen, okay. Yes, but yay! Another priest removal. As if priest doesn't have enough. Priest already has way too many. Yeah, that's so bad. That's gonna be destroyed. So let's see. Disciple Galcron, another. Yeah. I hate that card so much. So another invokes. Okay. Mershton's pretty good. Yeah. That's not how you spell mage. Oh, that's another good dragon. There's a lot of actually good dragon cards coming out of this. Let's see what else. Where's the Murloc? Oh, that I have a feeling was printed in response for the 2500 Armor Thought Warrior Druid. I have a feeling that was printed in response to it. That's so awesome though. Oh, they actually did print a card in response like they did with the choking guys for Jade Idols. Man. Evil Quartermasters, more Corrosive Breaths. Yeah, this has been pretty good so far. Other than the legendary, that legendary was garbage. Okay, another good choose one card. Let's see, another some more invokes. And 4 damage to enemies. Corrosive Breath's pretty good also. That is going to have a chance to really backfire. Good Tom. 4 mana for 3/9 with Tom is pretty good, but that's downside. You guys have a removal on hand to immediately remove those. That's gonna be so good in Death Battle Priest. That's really good in Death Battle Priest. I'll play Elemental 2 turns to draw 3 spells. Are you kidding me? Has he not got any more legends? Oh, there's Sky Raider. For the Pirate Warrior. Up, double epics. Grave Ruin Scale Rider again. Corrupt Elementalist, invoke Galacron twice. Toss the reinforcements and make your opponents hero power cost more. Another thing, what's the other one? I think it's just Saboteur. That gets rid, that makes it cost I think 5 more? I think. Your hero power 3 times, summon 3 left of them. Oh wait, ooh, Juggernaut actually might be pretty good in Inspire deck. Why don't you try to make that for a challenge? I do love that. Another Toss the reinforcement. Or pirates. Chromatic egg. Secretly discover, and then when it dies, it hatches. That's pretty good though. Those are lot of good dragon cards we're getting. Quartermaster again. Let's go Rider. This is about to start being. I'm starting to get some dust territory now. And I will go look right after this and just see what all I have, how many differences of what I have. Okay, another Skyclaw. Next Stealth. A dragon in your hand +2/+2, which is hilarious. He eats the Murloc and gets stronger. I want to take my card back real quick. Actually, I just realized something. Why did I not have the other one on right now? Okay, another chromatic egg, some dragons. Okay, another dragon. Firehawk. Oh hey, I feel they printed that for handlock. Handlock's huge. Here, let me go equip the other card back real quick. Where is it? Sundering, where are you? There it is. While I'm doing this, what do we get here? We're 10 in. Only got one legendary. Oh, yeah, but that's also the first thing. I did see what the top card. I think it was Stat Rider. Meh. Whoa! No pain, no gain, Galakron. Yeah, that's pretty good also. Dragon Priest. Dragon Priest is gonna be pretty dang good. There's a zoo card. I think the 3 dragon classes, the Paladin, Priest, and Warrior, are all gonna be pretty good in this expansion. Definitely a while. Definitely a while. Those decks are gonna be insane. Pretty good. Makes it a 3 mana draw 3. You have a dragon or the Wax Breath. Oop, another epic. I'm getting a lot of epics. I hope that's the golden. Ritual Chop, Invoke Galakron, and Scion of Ruin, or Scion of Ruin. I'm not probably trying to pronounce that right now. 3 mana, 3/2 Rush. If you invoke twice, summon 2 more copies of this, so it becomes 3 3/2s with Rush. Let's see. And more commons. A double Sand Breath. Oh, there's another Overload card. More pirates. I might make a Pirate Warrior also after this. Yep, plus 1 attack while you have Overload. So it's actually literally Glickum's effect on an elemental. Oh, that was an evolve.
Golden Common.
Actually looks pretty cool. Oh, there's another secure the deck. Hey, claw spells are the 1 mana, 2 attack, 2 armor. I want to stop counting my head. Just more spell cards. So both players draw a card. If you're playing against a dragon deck, that can actually backfire. But if you're playing dragon deck, that's actually pretty good. Don't that many dragons have battle cries other than Deathwing, Nefarian, and Nixia. don't have battle cry, so I think that's about it. Battle cry with dragon? Unless I'm completely wrong. Draw 2 less with 2 less for each treant you control. I think tree and druid we're gonna see. Like tree and druid we're gonna see do the Power Warrior, Dragon Priest, Dragon Pally. Probably gonna see a bunch of Dragon Breath. There's another Dragon Breath. Finally, a card account is Freeze Mage. Bones lost on board. Up, there's one. Oh! Oh! That's two! Is he still on? He's got to be pissed at me. I'm sitting with a picture of that. He's gonna be pissed. That's gonna be really good. That is going to be really good. Alexstrasza. Have waited to respond to have the same pack. So, yeah. I didn't realize that was a beast, but it was a dragon. Yeah, so there's another card for self-damage, Warlock. There's another card for no dupe. Yeah, and that's gonna be playing almost every no dupe if you have it. Because even the worst dragons aren't that bad if you only play 0 form. And you play a pirate something from your hand. So same thing, but what is it? Is patches, but it has to be in your hand, not in your deck.
Golden comment.
Wait for his response that it's from the same deck. Let's see. Yeah, Arcane Breath. Chrono Breaker. Let's see here. Is he still opening? He started giving it before me. Let's see what we got here. Humble Skulker, if you invoke it, add 3 coins, so 3 mana crystals to your hand. Another Breath, if you're holding a dragon, deal 4 damage with life steal, not just deal 2. That's good, but it's gonna get destroyed instantly. When you would want to play that, you want to play a late game, but that's just gonna get instantly removed. And be able to transform, actually, we already had this, but be able to transform other minions into this is pretty good. So transforms another minion into a 5 mana 5/4 with rush. Spell damage +2 with shaman. Ooh, that's scary. Oh, there's another legend. Let's see what we got here. What's his name? Vanders, I think was his name. The handlock guy. That's the one he got for his first hit. So he's gonna have this versus the Dragonbane I just got. So, it's gonna be scary. Not really, he's gonna kick my butt with it. I hope I can get a good legendary off of the golden. Again, that double legendary pack was good though. There's other Aerophonics and Bat Rider. Does this work? Ah, it does. Oh, there's another epic. I'm getting a lot of epics. another secure the deck. Oh, that's 400 dust. No, it's not, because I have the golden. I don't dust goldens other than nerfs. So I had a golden glitch I just dusted. If I get 3200, they would craft the legendary again and have 1600 extra to spin. Oh, here's up in Malagos. Ooh.
Man.
And see how duels work is whatever card we have to use, we have to build a deck around. Now we're both in Wild, so we're allowed to have access to all the cards.
Man.
But he didn't go to Wild till recently. So last time I think we had to build them in Standard. No, we had one Standard, one Wild.
Golden. Man.
Which, if I remember right, you put out one from last year in the description. For y'all to watch how those work with us.
Man.
Up, ramming speed! Force a minion to attack one of its neighbors. Ooh, if you need to poison this with that, you can poison the minion next to it. Ooh.
Man.
I want to see how many legendaries is opened after this. I've opened 4. I don't know how many left, but I'll look after.
Man.
So, yeah, we've seen a lot of these cards. I'm not gonna spend the whole time talking about the same card over and over again. Fiendish Rites, again. 6 mana 4/8 Tom with the Discovered Dragon isn't that bad. And look, there's another Druid. Not Druid. Treant! The Druid. Apparently it's called Druid now. Why not? Let's see what else we have here.
Man.
Ooh, Invocation of Frost. And Storm's Wrath. I might upgrade my Overload Shaman.
Man.
Up Time Rip again. That's a 5 mana 5/5 draw a card. Give me +1 invoke. 1 damage all characters.
Golden. Man.
Oh! There's a golden well.
Man.
How about the golden animations? They do look awesome.
Man.
Up go another dry spell, looks like. Let's just see how long the dry spell goes on. Hopefully not long. Whoop. That's not nothing yet. That's the reinforcement, so that's our 3rd one. Now, cast, after you use your hero power, cast a secret. So I really want the Handlock legendary. That's the legendary I want the most. I can't remember his name though.
Man.
One Draconic, Faceless Corruptor again. Let's see here.
Man.
Dragon Bite, Blight, Cultist again.
Man.
Another Nether Wing. Rolling a dragon, deal 3 to all the characters. I like how they gave all the classes dragons. Ah, Bandit Smosh. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but still, I want the Handlock one. Then that brings me to 5 now.
Man. Man.
Let's see. You'll probably message me later on how many legends you get. Because I'm only in the middle of doing something just opening in between.
Rare.
So, Breath of Dreams. And if you're holding a dragon, so draw a card, and if you're holding a dragon, you're also gaining empty mana. Oh, there's another epic. Tentacle Menace. Each player draws a card and swaps their cost. Pretty good, but it can backfire. Really can backfire. Because you could draw a board, they draw like a Deathwing.
Rare.
I've been getting a lot of weapons. The thing is, it's only 105, but I normally have 135 to work with up to this legend. This will bring me to 6 now. Let's see here.
Legend.
Oh, there's just Sarah. It's level 7 dreams in the draw. When drawn, they summon a random dragon. Okay. Oh, you got the weapon! Dang it!
Rare.
There's another card I want to make Pirate Warrior so bad. There are actually a lot of good cards in this expansion.
Rare. Rare.
And we're getting, looks like we're getting another, according to the update, we're going to get another 35 new cards with the Galakrond solo adventure, or the Galakron's Awakening, I think is what it's called.
Rare.
Time Rip, Poacher.
Golden woman.
Oh, there's another dragon here. And see, he's always really lucky on his pack opening. So I'm very curious on who got more legendaries. I think I'm at 6.
Epic.
I got a lot of epic.
Rare.
Oh, Netherbrick looks pretty cool. And then the Necreon. Yeah, this is his first time he's done a pre-order since Witchwood. He doesn't do them that often. He just did this one because it had Deathwing. Elemental Allies. Mana Giant. Okay. So another thing for Spell Mage. No, not for Spell Mage, for the old quest for Angora. And some of this stuff, some of they have not stuff that adds so Oh, there's another epic. Oh, it's 3 rare. Ooh! Double golden. Oh, Breath of Infinite looks awesome. See, that looks like Uriel. That's not how I think I pronounce it. But the Draenei in WoW right now took over from Bellin. Conic. What else we got here? I wonder how many legendaries we got that the other player that he wanted. I'll compare legendaries with them later. That's the one that destroys all copies of a card. I think off the top of my head. Yeah, that's when I was talking about that. That's when we were talking about with destroy Pogo Rogue. No, let's secure the deck. There you go, then I can dust that. I don't ever dust golden. Let's see here. Oop, there's another epic. 2 epics. Oh, 3 epics! Skyfin, another Necreum, and Fate Weaver. So, it's... What's his name? Tharzan, if you invoke twice. But it's a dollar prize, it's a permanent effect. Yeah, 4 mana, 3/6 for an epic. Okay. Holding a dragon, summon 2 random Murlocs. Yeah. Gavin? But, man, I wonder. Because I still do have a golden legendary I'm getting for login on the day of it, so hopefully that's handlocked if I don't get it. There's other legendaries I'm wanting though, and this is another chromatic egg. I'm gonna be getting a lot of dust, though, I will say that. Definitely be getting a lot of. Whispers of Evil again. It adds a lackey for 0. It's not that bad, it's actually pretty good. It makes you only paying for the lackey. Oh, that's a legend. That'll make it 7. Fail hand. Malagos. I do wonder how the upgraded mini spells are gonna work though. I do wonder how those are gonna work. Dragon Breeder. Oh, I said open. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, Face Stalker looks awesome golden. Does he go away after? Please tell me he goes back away. Yeah. That's really cool. That has been my coolest golden so far. Camel Breath. Again, we're starting to get to the duplicate point now. Fate Weaver. Up. Yeah, I think he's got to be on amount of legendaries.
Golden man.
Oh, he didn't answer me. It's no fun. How many legendaries did he get? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you're not actually about the same point right now. But you got a bunch of single packs. So if I get one more legendary, I'll beat him. So we'll see here. I wonder who actually got more dust. I think he and I literally have the same amount of packs. I think I had a couple more. Yeah. Come on, give me one more legendary. Last 6 packs. Give me handlock. Give me handlock. Give me handlock already. I don't care about toxic reinforcements. But I actually kind of do, because I am going to need them for the duel I'm going to have to do. I'm going to need as much hero power as I can. Come on. Nope. Another toxic reinforcements. Grab the space with these last couple of packs. Again, I'm not going to talk about logic cards. We're starting to get to duplicate territory. Definitely. Up, no, we died. We died. Okay. Well, let's go see what all we got. Can't you see my dust count right now? Or no? No, it won't let me. Okay, we're gonna do all these things right now. Let's see what all we got. I did definitely beat him in Epic. He beat me in OE Ties and Legends. I think I got better quality. Nope. Okay, I can't do it apparently. Okay, well that didn't work. We can't see what all it got. So we got Sarah. Why am I not doing this? Actually, do need to see what all we got. Got Ysera. We got Dragonbane. Both mages. Of course, we got the Galakron. Got Bandersmosh. God. I'm not about to try and pronounce that. And then we got Alexstrasza. Man, that's really good. Yeah. He has me beat on quality, though, of legendaries. I have a couple good ones, but he got a lot better one. He got Skyshift, he got the Pirate Weapon, he got Malagos, he got the Treant for Druid. He got both Paladins, and then he got the Mage. So we actually overlapped, we overlapped on both mages. Okay. Well, I think that's it for this episode. If y'all enjoyed, make sure to like button, subscribe, and see the other videos, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!